Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Oxygen of Life. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your daily schedules. Today I have come here to share our views of a new product which my husband has purchased. It was a much awaited long wish for us to have this product. You can say that we are waiting for a long time to purchase this. So my hubby wants to share his views with you all. So come, let us join with him.
Hello everyone. Today is a very special day for me. I received this box from Blue Dart just now, and I will be doing an unboxing. This is a MacBook Air with M1 chipset, and this is something that I was wishing to receive long back, and this is something is in front of me today. So I will be doing this unboxing and will share my experience with all of you. Please stay tuned.
So the unboxing is taking place. I think it has to be opened from the sidewards, as because the sellotapes has been wrapped from that side only. Let's see, very eager to see the thing. Let's see how it comes.
It's,
1, 2, 3. So here it goes.
there it goes. You can see it says
Laptop.
MacBook Air.
New laptop.
So this is how the
Slim
box
as
looks. So I've ordered the gold color of MacBook Air. So the branding is here, and it gives the box dimension and everything. So we will soon open this box and we'll share our experience. Let me just put it beside and let me peel this sticker out. It's very easy to unbox this product. It has
May I
been
throw it?
wrapped.
May I throw these?
Of course.
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
So product is there, and now I'm opening the box.
It's like a wishes for a long time.
And something that I was looking for a long time. So this is how it looks from with cover.
It is just like a new mobile coming out from my box.
Let me take it
It
out,
is actually covered with paper.
and it is covered in some plastic wrap, and let me take that out. It's a good
Wow.
plastic cover, and this is how the laptop
Clap,
looks.
clap, clap. Congratulations.
And I can see my.
This is the Apple logo. You can see the color is gold. So it's kind of, I would say, a different type of gold. It's not the typical gold
Rose
color.
gold. I think the color is rose gold.
Yeah, it can be called rose gold. On the back side, there are four protectors.
It's easy and very
It's
light.
very sleek, as you can see.
Yeah.
Very sleek from all sides. You can see.
I think it's just
This
you can
is,
carry like a book.
Yeah, you can simply carry like a book, and it's very sleek. I will give a thorough video of this product. So along with this laptop, I have also received this
Cable.
charging cable and this
This
adapter.
is the manual.
These are the manuals that has come up, and this is the adapter that has come up from Apple.
I will read this.
And I
Can I
have
read
not
the
told this
manual?
before. I bought this from the Imagine store online, and it
Can I
just
read
took one day to arrive. It's very fast, and as you can see, it's a Type C
Type C.
adapter. This is how it looks.
This is how the screen comes. like namaste.
So I will do the configuration and I will give a detailed review of this at a later point of time. Thank you very much. I will give a detailed review. Let me configure it. I'm eager to configure it and start using it and share my experience with you all. Thank you. Thank you very much for staying with me.
This is how the welcome screen is coming. Yes, see. So we are very much eager how it works after the configuration. So please stay tuned with us. Thank you.
Stay tuned for part 2.
Friends, thank you for tuning with us and watching the full video. Hope you have enjoyed it. I'm going to prepare its second part and then again sharing with you all. Till then, stay tuned and love every day and live happily. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Oxygen of Life. Bye bye. Take care.